Alright folks, this is Amtrak 718 highballing out Oakland Jet London Square Station with the green lights. That's a Point Reyes 6963 with Ethan and Dominic on the train. They are going home. It's good to handle here at the meetup here at the Railfest meetup here. 6963 Point Reyes leads off. I've been on that cat car so many times. And with F59 PHI 2003, my sophomore year. Alright, F59 PHI 2003. They're gonna train folks going to Bakersfield. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. That train will be back on 7:13 tomorrow afternoon. Have a safe trip, both Ethan and Dominic. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye now.